What if the single most powerful act for your growth was found not in going out, but in deliberately staying in? There comes a time for every person when the external world becomes overwhelming, a constant stream of demands, opinions, and chaos. Yet, the most profound shifts often start in the most silent of spaces, the walls of your own home. Modern culture shouts that influence is built through constant visibility, a full social calendar, and perpetual motion. But the ancient philosophy of Stoicism presents a counterintuitive truth. True strength is forged in retreat. This isn't about running away from life. It's about building an unshakable inner foundation so you can engage with the world on your own terms. Today, we'll explore why choosing to spend more time at home could be the most transformative commitment you ever make. First, you mute the external static to hear your own frequency. Our environment is saturated with distractions, other people's agendas, and unnecessary drama. By consciously deciding to remain at home, you pull the plug on this interference and tune back into your own mind. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius reflected that a person discovers a more peaceful retreat nowhere than in their own inner awareness. Your living space becomes a personal haven. Your mental clarity sharpens. Your choices become more intentional. You begin to listen to the one voice that truly matters, your own. Second, you cultivate a level of self-control that is now rare. The majority of people are dependent on outside entertainment. They crave the buzz of activity, the drip feed of notifications, and the approval of their peers. When you elect to stay in, you are honing a priceless attribute, willpower. You practice the art of being content with your own thoughts. You develop deep concentration without external inputs. You master the power of patience. The Stoic thinker Seneca observed that a person who is all over the place is never truly anywhere. Staying home trains you to be centered, attentive, and stable, a trait that few ever develop. Third, you naturally evolve beyond relationships that deplete your spirit. In solitude, a fascinating shift occurs. You gain perspective to see which connections energize you and which ones exhaust you. Space reveals character. You understand who only reaches out when they require assistance, who perpetuates negativity, who pulls you from your objectives, and who introduces turmoil into your existence. This deliberate time alone provides a mental room to discern who truly deserves a place in your inner world. This is how you guard your tranquility. This is how you construct a network that fuels your progress. Fourth, you unlock the strength of emotional self-reliance. Most individuals look to others for fun, confirmation, and a sense of worth. However, when you spend quality time at home, you discover a deeper form of resilience, inner resourcefulness, emotional sovereignty, and quiet self-assurance. The philosopher Epictetus taught that true liberty is achieved when you are not relying on external things, particularly the fickle opinions of other people. Within your home, you forge a resilient emotional center that remains undisturbed by outside events. Fifth, you advance your abilities with pure, undiluted focus. This is perhaps the most significant benefit. Your home transforms into your personal workshop, your private academy. You study, you consume knowledge, you practice, you innovate. You hone your craft in silence while others fritter their hours away. Every legendary creator embraced the power of solitude. This environment offers you the ideal conditions to refine yourself into a more skilled, knowledgeable, and effective individual. 6. You preserve your vital energy for your true priorities. A life of constant outings leaks your power into trivialities, idle chatter, other people's problems, social anxiety, and meaningless commotion. But when you choose to stay home, your energy becomes concentrated, contained, and potent. You master the art of refusal. You keep your social group intentional. You learn to defend your core focus. Your personal power becomes a honed tool, preserved and ready. Your focus is the architect of your destiny. 7th, you become at peace with being alone, the signature of a resilient individual. Fragile spirits are terrified of silence. Solid characters seek it. Solitude is the fertile ground where your intellect expands. It's where your mission comes into view. It's where your inner fortitude multiplies. When you stay home and learn to value your own presence, you access a tier of self-confidence that is foreign to crowd. You cease pursuing draining people. You stop desiring external approval. You become complete within yourself. Choosing home is an act of isolation. It's a strategic preparation to face reality with greater power, insight, and command. This is a process of rebuilding your psyche. This is a practice of safeguarding your inner calm. This is the method of ascending steadily while the majority remain scattered. When you fortify your internal world, the external chaos loses its grip. This is the Stoic way. This is the journey of self-command. This is the life of an individual who directs their own path. If this path resonates with you, please like this video and follow Winds of Thought for more guides to living with purpose.